Hey Jeep lovers, welcome back to Adventure Jeep, the channel where we bring you the best tips, gear, and reviews to make every ride unforgettable. In today's video, we're talking about the best cam for Jeep 40, top 5 dash cams that every Jeep Gladiator, Wrangler, Cherokee, and Grand Cherokee driver should check out. From UHD 4K recording to OEM-style designs, these cameras not only protect your ride, but also capture every adventure on the road. Let's dive in. Number 5. Jeep Grand Cherokee. For Jeep Grand Cherokee 2023-2025 L and 4E owners, the Fitcamx Dual Dash Cam offers one of the most advanced OEM-style solutions on the market. It combines 4K Ultra HD front recording with 1080p rear coverage, ensuring you get complete video protection in every direction. The design integrates seamlessly into your Jeep's interior without messy wiring, maintaining a clean OEM appearance. It comes with Wi-Fi and app support, allowing drivers to quickly access, view, and share videos. The G sensor automatically locks collision footage, making it invaluable in case of accidents. Unlike other models, this dash cam does not include an SD card, so you'll need to purchase one separately. However, users praise its easy installation and reliable performance, especially on long road trips or rugged terrains. For Jeepers who want a true dual-camera setup with crisp video quality and factory-like integration, this model is hard to beat. Number 4. Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited. This 10-inch mirror dash cam is designed for the Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited 4-door, 2018-2024, offering a sleek upgrade that combines functionality with style. Unlike traditional dash cams, this model replaces your rearview mirror with a full touchscreen display, giving you a modern, high-tech look inside your Jeep. It records in 2K front plus 1080p rear, making it ideal for drivers who want both front and back coverage. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens ensures you capture more of the road, while night vision technology improves clarity during late-night drives. Parking assistance mode also helps with tight spaces, a handy feature for urban Jeep owners. With loop recording and a 32GB card included, the cam is ready to go out of the box. Jeep drivers appreciate how it provides a dual benefit, acting as a dash cam while also improving rear visibility compared to standard mirrors. For Jeep owners wanting advanced safety plus a modernized cabin look, this mirror cam is an excellent pick. Number 3. Jeep Gladiator JT and Wrangler JL. Designed for the Jeep Gladiator JT 2018-2024 and Wrangler JL 2018-2024, this front-facing 4K dash cam delivers sharp, clear recordings in Ultra HD 2160p. The OEM-style fit means it looks like part of your Jeep from the factory, blending neatly with no dangling wires. This dash cam features loop recording, which automatically overwrites old files to keep your card fresh without manual management. The included 64GB card provides ample storage for most daily use, and the built-in Wi-Fi Plus app combo allows quick access to videos from your phone. Jeep enthusiasts appreciate its sturdy construction for off-road driving, as it stays firmly in place even on bumpy trails. It's particularly useful for those who want hassle-free video recording that starts automatically with the ignition, making it a reliable set-and-forget solution. If you're after a no-frills, durable 4K dash cam tailored to your Jeep model, this one stands out. Number 2. Jeep Cherokee KL. If you're driving a 5th-gen Jeep Cherokee KL 2019-23, including trims like Latitude, Luxe, Limited, and Trailhawk, this 4K custom-fit dash cam is one of the best options. It maintains the OEM factory look, so it blends seamlessly into your Jeep's interior without messy cables or suction mounts. This model records in UHD 2160p, offering outstanding video clarity both day and night. One standout feature is the 128GB memory card included, which doubles the storage compared to most competitors. With more capacity, you can record longer trips without worrying about overwriting important footage. User reviews emphasize the straightforward installation. It clicks into place behind the rearview mirror. The companion smartphone app allows quick access to your recordings and settings. For Jeep owners who explore rugged terrain or drive long distances, this camera offers reliable recording and durability. It's a perfect fit for those who want bigger storage and smooth 4K footage while keeping a factory-style design. Number 1. Jeep Gladiator JT and Wrangler JL. This dash cam is specifically designed for Jeep Gladiator JT 2018-2024 and Wrangler JL 2018-2024, ensuring a perfect OEM-style fit without ruining your interior aesthetics. It records in UHD 2160p 4K, delivering crystal-clear footage that captures license plates and road details even at high speeds. With integrated Wi-Fi and app support, you can instantly view or download recordings on your smartphone. Jeep drivers often highlight its easy plug-and-play installation. No wire cutting or dashboard clutter. The included 64GB card means you can start using it right out of the box. For off-road adventurers, the durable build and loop recording feature ensure continuous protection without manual file deletion. This camera is an excellent choice for Jeepers who want a reliable, factory-style dash cam with modern tech features. So, which of these dash cams would you pick for your Jeep? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Adventure Jeep, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews and tips. Remember, every Jeep journey deserves to be recorded, whether it's a wild off-road adventure or your daily commute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride. Stay adventurous with Adventure Jeep.